The search for answers to our mistakes is a fascinating journey. Neurotranscendence invites us to explore how our neural connections can be rewired, allowing us to learn from every stumble. The physics of the soul reminds us that every mistake is an opportunity to elevate our consciousness, while the psychology of transcendence offers us tools to transform pain into growth. Imagine using these concepts to analyze what we can do by sifting through the vast ocean of knowledge, seeking authentic reflections on our dilemmas. By evaluating the feeling behind each thought, we discover not only the meaning of emotions, but also the impact they have on our community. Thus, each mistake becomes a stepping stone to a wiser version of ourselves. What if every mistake you make was actually a portal to a higher dimension of consciousness? In this vast ocean of knowledge, neurotranscendence invites us to reprogram our neural connections, while the physics of the soul reveals that every stumble is an opportunity to raise our vibration and expand collective consciousness. This journey is not just a reflection, but an urgent call to transform pain into growth and doubts into light. In the modern existential crisis, the psychology of transcendence offers us a map to navigate the labyrinth of our failures. Far from being simple stumbles, errors are particles of a quantum emotional collapse that, when properly interpreted, catalyze the expansion of being. Thus, every thought and feeling become algorithms of the soul, capable of resonating in the community and building bridges to a wiser and more compassionate reality. Inspired by Hegel's phenomenology of spirit, we understand that error not only shapes individual subjectivity, but also influences the collective construction of meaning and purpose. Neurotranscendence proposes an internal algorithm. This process allows each mistake to be a seed that blossoms into spiritual growth, moving us away from automatic repetition and closer to conscious evolution. Every mistake is a quantum state of infinite possibilities. Conscious intention acts as a collapse that defines what reality emerges. By understanding this dynamic, we can transform the pain associated with mistakes into an alchemical force that raises our vibration and expands collective consciousness. Spiritual psychology teaches us that pain is a master in disguise. By integrating suffering with compassion and radical acceptance, we open the door to a profound transformation that not only strengthens us, but also inspires our community. What does your deepest mistake reveal about the structure of your consciousness? How can loving acknowledgement of failure open paths to enlightenment? Is it possible that repeating mistakes is a soul's call to awaken? What ethical responsibility do we have in sharing our vulnerabilities to enrich the social fabric? Capture attention with the paradox of error as an opportunity, spark interest in neurotranscendence, create desire for transformation, invite conscious action. Introduce the problem of the fear of error, stir existential anxiety, offer neurotranscendence and soul physics as a solution. Before, mistakes as failures. After, mistakes as stepping stones. Bridge, spiritual neuroscience and quantum physics. Urgent, unique, ultra-specific. Share this message if you are ready to transform your mistakes into wisdom and elevate your consciousness. Explore how neurotranscendence, soul physics, and the psychology of transcendence can help you transform your mistakes into stepping stones to wisdom. A poetic algorithmic analysis for spiritual growth and conscious expansion.